Imagine this. You finally hand in your keys, they throw you a retirement party, your investment portfolio is a nice round $2 million. And the very next Monday, the S&P 500 drops 20%. For most, that's a nightmare. For a prepared retiree, it's just a rainy Tuesday. The biggest threat to your portfolio isn't inflation or taxes. It's something called sequence of returns risk. If the market crashes right as you start pulling money out, you're forced to sell shares at the bottom, permanently damaging your nest egg's ability to recover.
To survive this, you need a market floor. Here are the 4 safety nets you must build before the market drops. 1. The cash buffer. The first net is a cash bucket containing 2 to 3 years of living expenses in a high-yield savings account or very safe bonds. If you spend $43,000 a year, you want roughly $86,000 sitting in cash. When the market panics and the bears take over, you don't touch your stocks. You simply sip your coffee and spend from your cash bucket until the market recovers. 2. The steady income floor. Social Security isn't just a check, it's a protective buffer for your investments. By strategically timing when you claim it, ideally waiting until age 67 or even 70, you maximize a guaranteed inflation-adjusted income stream that you cannot outlive. The larger your Social Security check, the less you have to withdraw from your portfolio. This reduces the pressure on your assets during a downturn, allowing them to stay invested and keep compounding. The expense eraser. Debt-free living. The most powerful way to protect a portfolio is to need less from it. Entering retirement debt-free, especially without a mortgage, is a game changer. Without a monthly house payment, your required withdrawal rate craters. If a market crash happens, you aren't stressed about losing your home because your fixed costs are already at the floor. Debt-burdened retirees are often forced to over-withdraw during a crash just to keep the lights on, which is a recipe for running out of money.
4. The inflation shield. A common mistake is getting too scared and moving everything to cash. If you earn 1% in a savings account while inflation hits 3%, you are slowly going broke while thinking you're being safe. Your 4th safety net is a balanced portfolio. Typically 60% stocks for growth and 40% bonds for stability, as suggested by some experts. You need those stocks to fight inflation over a 30-year retirement. The goal isn't to avoid the drop, it's to have enough growth that your $2 million eventually becomes bulletproof. The bottom line, retirement wealth isn't about hitting a magic number and crossing your fingers. It's about building a structure where you control your time, not the market. By setting these 4 floors, you ensure that no matter what the Dow does tomorrow, your freedom remains intact. If you're ready to stop worrying about the next crash and start living your best life, follow us for more insightful stories. See you in the next one.